right here we have bad gunite. So this is an older remodel and they didn't use shotcrete at that time. So what we want to do is we want to take all this bad stuff out like they did, get to the harder gunite, and then we're going to go ahead and shoot on top of this and fix all of this seat here.
So the good thing on this job is we're flashing the pool today because we're changing the depth. So while we're flashing the pool, same time we can fix this at the same time with the shotcrete rig since it's here. And during this remodel, we're adding also a reef area in the pool, extending it, make it a little bit shallower in the deep end because it's too deep. And we're adding an automatic cover box on the far end of the pool. So big day, exciting day, a lot happening. So we're getting all the exact measurements here, making sure the slope is right, depth is right, tracks are right, automatic cover, check what the level, the depth of the pool, because we're making it shallower. So we're shooting in the shotcrete for the box over there on that end. And this is what's really cool. Check this out. We have a spa slash fountain here. This is a fountain looking right through the middle of the house coming out. And this is a fountain, but it's also a doggone spa. How cool is that? But they didn't put a step into it, so we're adding a step into the spa. And we took all the precautions. We put all the plastic up around the house to protect this monster, beautiful, expensive home. Okay, we have an exciting day here in Shady Canyon. We are getting the pool pebble. We're using a micro-pebble on this one, which is really cool because it's very smooth. It's a smaller pebble, but there's about 20 guys here for this job. And you can see here, beautiful house. And this is the starting process. So it's gonna be a French gray mini pebble, or micro-pebble actually. So some people ask, hey, how come pebble's not perfectly straight or even or level? And this is why. It's installed by hand, installed with trowels, and it's all done freehand. There's no way to put a board 20 feet across to make it perfectly level. So this is how it's done. And this process, it's impossible to make it perfectly level or flat.